So the other day I found this skateboard in the trash. It's a super sick 80's board, but it doesn't really have life in it anymore. So in this video I will be stripping some parts from it, seeing what I can reuse to make a new one. After a while I got the parts of the board that I wanted to reuse. I also still had a blank board that I pressed that would be perfect for this board. I used a piece of paper to trace a template of the shape of the board. Then I cut it out and drew it onto the blank. Looks good, so now I took some time to wash some of the parts that I was gonna reuse because they were kinda old and nasty. Then after that I started to cut out the board. And of course after that refining the shape and finishing it off. Then the deck was basically done and it was time to set it up. The board was imitated from the original. The only things I altered was the concave and the wheelbase of the board to make it more to my likings. I managed to use the wheels of the old board and I got them cleaned up pretty well. I also wanted to use the nose guard because I really liked it, and I put on some new rails but also black just like the original one. And there it is, the board is finished. I'm really hyped on how it turned out. It basically has the same specs as the original board, but now it's just skatable and fresh. I'm not gonna lie, I think it really looks sick. So if I made a board, of course I gotta skate it, so enjoy the clips of this little session. Hope you maybe get inspired and try some projects out like this as well. I guess this video really proves the saying of one man's trash is another man's treasure. Hope you guys enjoyed.